Price is for 50-pack D-9 female D-sub crimp type connector, 50 PCs pack, no pin, D-9 female crimp type D-sub connectors in assembly of a working cable. The connector is essential to provide the actual connection interface between two devices. Such an important function relies on durable and reliable materials, manufacturing, and design. These connectors are made of the highest quality materials to ensure maximum operational efficiency during high-intensity and mission-critical applications. Crimp-type connection between the cable and connector is very easy to connect and creates permanent and extremely durable connections from cable to connector. Detailed description: 232 rupees D-sub miniature connectors. ABS insulator and tin-plated housing. Prices for 50 PCs, no pin. Usually ship within 1 business day. Top reviews from the United States. 5 stars. Fast delivery, will buy again when low. Good for the price. They do the job. My team orders them constantly and I've never had an issue. Great D-sub ends, phenomenal for those who don't have the time to solder cable ends all the time, or when you are in a time crunch and need a cable done now. Simply crimp the pins on, land in the ends accordingly, and away you go.